Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to prepare Cerelac. Alright, it's a very quick and healthy option for your 2 years old. Before you start, make sure to wash your hands. So we're going to be using this Cerelac from 12 months because my baby is already 2, so I'm using from 12 months. But they have from 6 months and they have some for 3 months, and you can find this in any of your shops where they sell baby stuffs. Alright, to start, I'm going to spoon out some of the Cerelac into a bowl. So you just go with the quantity your baby needs. My baby loves Cerelac, so she eats it quite a lot. So I think I went with 4 scoops or 5 scoops there. So now what I do is that I'm going to make a hole. So I'm going to make a hole, and then I'm just going to go right ahead and pour in some of the hot water in it. So you just go in with the water and then you start mixing. Okay, now you're going to mix this for a while because we don't want any lumps on it. If you find out that you need more water or that the water you added is not enough, just go ahead and add water until you get the consistency that you want. So I went in and I added more warm water in it. So now I'm just going to keep stirring, and I'm going to stir it fast. Alright, just keep stirring until you get a good consistency. One of the things I love about Cerelac is that it's so easy to customize to your child's tastes. Alright, so if they don't like plain flavor, you can just go right ahead and add some fruit and veggies, to give it a boost. My baby doesn't like fruits and veggies, so you know what that is. Alright, so because it's quick to make, you can just experiment with different flavors until you find the one your child likes. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of cold water because, like I'm saying, my baby doesn't like it hot. Okay, so and she's gonna check with her mouth whether it's hot. So I added a little bit of cold water and then I continued stirring until I made sure that everything is creamy. So you're just going to have to go ahead and stir this for a while. Stir it very fast just to make sure you don't have any lumps. Okay, so we want the final result to be very creamy. Oh yeah, just like this. It needs to be creamy. It needs to be very, very creamy, just like that. So this consistency is very good for my baby, not too watery but not too thick. So that's that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it to her bowl. Alright, so as you can see, this is quite a very easy and a very healthy option. Okay, and you can make this in under 5 minutes. It's perfect when you're busy, or if you want to ensure that your toddler is getting the nutrients that she needs. This is a very wonderful meal for her. So that's the final result, and now I'm just going to go and give it to her. She loves her Cerelac so much. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to check out my other recipes and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Okay, thank you.